Hello, I'm Ryan Newton, Simon CNC, and behind me here we're back on the Traub TNA300, where we're going to start doing some first fix wiring. We made a little progress on the manifolds yesterday. We're plugged in, almost first fixed, and we've got to route it back to the back panel and then begin second fix wiring, and that's what we're going to hopefully achieve today. We'll make a good start. Well, that's the end of Friday, it's the end of the week. Have a great weekend. Hope you enjoyed watching the videos, and I'll see you in the next one.